This series of movements is designed to reduce lower back pain. Start on your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Your back is flat, and from that position, start to slide and settle back toward your heels. Keep your back straight. Let the stretch be felt in your buttocks and in your hips. As you breathe out, let your stomach sink down toward the floor. Keep breathing. Now begin to slide straight ahead, bringing your shoulders again over your hands and then pushing back up into the flat back position. Let's do that again. Drop back, settling your buttocks back toward your heels, relaxing along your waistline, letting that area stretch longer. If you can settle your buttocks back between your heels, back into the arches of your feet, that's great. Again, this is to be done just to the limits of what's comfortable. We don't want any of these exercises to produce pain. And now slide straight forward again until your shoulders are over your hands, and then push back up into tabletop. All right, now we're going to work with cat-cow. Push your back straight up at the waistline toward the ceiling. As you do, tuck your pelvis under. You can push down with your hands and round out your upper back. Now drop back to tabletop, relaxing your back and letting your belly drop down below tabletop into cow. As you go into cow, raise your chin. Let the tip of your tailbone stick up in the air as high as you can. We're arching that curve in your lower back. Now pushing back from that, pushing back into cat, tucking your pelvis under, pushing down with your hands to round out your upper back, tucking your chin down to your chest. And release that. Back to cow, letting your belly drop down toward the floor. Feel that tailbone sort of stick up in the air. Your chin comes up. Keep breathing, keep relaxing. And now push back into cat, tucking your pelvis under, pushing down with your hands and arching your upper back, rounding that back. And now drop back to cow. These movements are to stimulate circulation in the area, getting blood flow into those muscles so that they can remove the waste products that are making them sore, and allowing fresh nutrients to come in to support the healing process. Your chin's up, your belly's hanging down toward the floor. Now push back from that into cat. Tuck the pelvis under, tuck your chin down, push down with your hands. And back to tabletop. All right, you can do these exercises probably 5 times with each cat and cow. You can do them more if it helps to feel better. You can do them as many as 3 or 4 times a day. You shouldn't be able to hurt anything with these exercises so long as you move slowly and carefully.